Hello everyone, welcome to Zaira'z Creative World. Today I'm going to show you how to make a jewelry box out of cardboard. Take a piece of cardboard, cut the cardboard using scissors. We need 3 pieces of triangle and 2 pieces of squares. Measurements are 3 and 2 inches. Now you can stick the cardboard pieces. Take some broomsticks and chop it into small pieces. Now you can stick the pieces. Apply some paint for a finish. Now take a cardboard and bend it like this. Now stick this piece to the box. And for support, stick a sellotape. After that, you can apply some paint inside it. Take a button and a piece of elastic. Stick the button and elastic in it. Now it's ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Zaira'z Creative World.